and reseal. Those are very big red flags.
He says it look a little off. It won't look like regular candy, so dump it. The same technology used in California's earthquake early warning system is slowly being rolled out into critical infrastructure as the state gets ready for the next big one.
Chances are you've heard about or maybe even downloaded the Shake Alert app, which sends out warnings 10 to 30 seconds before an earthquake hits.
Earthquake, drop cover, hold on, shaking expected.
Those seconds can be life-saving. For example, a doctor pausing surgery or shutting off natural gas valves. That's why the early warning system is being incorporated into more hospitals, utilities, and fire stations.
If an earthquake happens, it won't completely shut in the actual fire engines. So there's practical benefit to integrating EEW technology, not just for the fire service, but also our overall society.
Jose Lara, director of the state's earthquake program, says someday soon, high-rise apartment buildings may have automated earthquake alerts warning residents to drop, cover, and hold. For now, the Shake Alert app is available in the Apple App Store. For Google smartphone users, Lara says the warnings have already been baked into the Android operating system. Matt Bigler, News 97.1 FM.
Farmers in Northern California being warned to be on the lookout for stink bugs, the smelly insects spreading around. Washington State professor who's the author of a new study.
These are invasive species, so they were essentially thought over from Asia in this country, so they don't have really natural enemies.
He says the climate change has accelerated their spread and that they're a big danger to crops as they will eat almost anything. A lot of protesters taking to the streets calling for the resignations of two more LA City councilmen in the wake of the racism scandal. That story's coming up at the bottom of the hour. Right now, 8:25, time for a look at your traffic brought to you by We Can Survive. Here's Tim Greenwood.
Good morning. Let's take a look at the 5 freeway southbound at 1st Street. This is where we have a table in lanes. 5 freeway northbound at Hollywood Way. It's wood pallets in the rightmost lane. Things get dropped off. People jump in their truck on Sunday morning and then forget to tie it down, apparently, or go a little fast. They are working on the guardrail, and that means the 710 North connector to the 91 transition road will be closed until 2 this afternoon as they work to make things better. 10 westbound to the 110. We've had 3 or 4 hazards there, and this morning we are wrapping up a problem where we had a fatal crash on the southbound 110 at the 10. When they get that squared away, then it'll all be open all the way down again. And 5 freeway northbound Camino Los Robles in Orange County. Looks like we have a crash just now off to the right side. Odyssey's 9th annual We Can Survive is at the Hollywood Bowl October 22nd with Alanis Morissette, Halsey, Weezer, One Republic, Garbage, and more. We Can Survive supports the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. Tickets are on sale now at Ticketmaster.com. Next report, 8:35 in the Puente Hills Hyundai 24-hour traffic center.
Our highs today going to be in the warming up with highs getting up to the 70s and 80s. They got a rapid warming trend lasting through Wednesday. Right now, 62 degrees in Torrance, 62 in Glendale, 63 in Santana. Among our top stories, week 2 of a very unsettled LA City Council in the wake of leaked audio and protesters taken to the streets calling for more resignation. 3 minutes, it's 8:27.
We all want to live our best life, right? Well, tap into it with Life Source Water. Hey, it's Vicki Moore, and I want to tell you about Life Source, the best whole house water system on the market. Pamper yourself, you and your family, with filtered and delicious Life Source water straight from every faucet and tap in your home. Life Source eliminates 90 water will taste great, and your skin and hair will feel great. Even better, Life Source is maintenance-free. No filters, no zero maintenance, zero water bottles. They install it, you forget it. Tap life, taste and feel the difference with Life Source water. For a limited time, you can buy a Life Source system without paying a penny for 6 months. No interest, no payments, nothing for 6 months. If your credit's 1945. That's 888-846-1945 for a free consultation, or visit lifesourcewater.com. Life Source Water. Taste and feel the difference.
Listen, could Gregory change your life?
I felt better. I lost 63 pounds and 6 inches of pant size. God bless you for having this product and having it at a reasonable price.
Outstanding. Gregory is 70 and lost belly fat and 6 inches off his waist in 5 months. Since 2004, Andro 400 has you lose belly fat, gain energy, and improve their lifestyle. We guarantee it. Go to andro400.com for more true testimonials, before and after photos, and special discounts. Only available on andro400.com. andro400.com.
Were you abused by a priest or clergy member? You are not alone, and we can help you hold the church accountable, regardless of your age, and even if your abuse is no longer working or even living. Thousands of victims have filed claims and been awarded significant compensation, but the deadline is quickly approaching, so call Stop Clergy Abuse right now. Your call is free, private, and confidential. Even if you don't remember the abuser's name, we may be able to help, but time is limited, so call now. Catholic dioceses have paid more than $3 billion to victims, with the average national settlement at $268,000. Call 800-355-4242 now, or soon you may forever lose your chance to file a claim. You can't change the past, but you can be compensated for it. Call 800-355-4242. A representative is standing by to help. Call 800-355-4242. That's 800-355-4242.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The people you know.
The voices you
Your top local story at 8:30. The anger over racist comments by members of the LA City Council shows no signs of slowing down. LA Urban Roundtable is holding a news conference later this morning for the next council president to be one of the council's African American members to demonstrate what they are calling a commitment to black empowerment and political and racial healing. Protesters also gathered in downtown LA this weekend. They're demanding the city council address those anti-indigenous and anti-black racism by pressuring the 2 council members involved in the leaked audio to step down.
In the crowd of 500 people, posters read, "Indigenous and proud, Oaxacans against racism."
Why was it important to be out here with your 2-year-old? It was important and big our community is, to never be ashamed to be from Oaxaca.
This person says that leaked audio was a grim reminder of racism in the Latino community.
The racism has been ongoing for many, many, many years, and I know that my parents face racism because they're indigenous, even within our own Hispanic community, and to have people of leadership talk the way they do and have that just like ignorance.
They won't give up until council members Gil Cedillo and Kevin De Leon step down. Reporting from City Hall, Natalie Davidian, KNX News 97.1 FM.
And moving on from the racism scandal should be led by citizens and not council members. That's according to one local political activist.
3 council members caught on the leaked audio tape do not reflect those of their constituents, says Arturo Vargas, head of the National Association of Latino Elected Officials.
We cannot allow elected officials to define the relationships we have with each other in the city.
He tells KNX the city needs to consider an independent commission for redistricting, but warns even those panels can be swayed by politics.
If the city of Los Angeles is going to consider an independent redistricting commission, which I would advocate, we need to do so in a way that ensures that all people of the city of Los Angeles have a stake in the process.
Vargas says the people who draw the boundaries can look out for the best interests of their communities without resorting to racism and KNX News 97.1 FM.
Widow and relatives of the man who was killed in a crash in Pomona this weekend have joined other mourners for 52-year-old Gilberto Payan died and a dozen other people hurt Friday night when a car smashed into a taco stand near Holt Avenue and Dudley Street. His wife told CBS2 he had planned to take his youngest 4 kids to a nearby park after picking up tacos for the family that night. Another man who'd been a regular customer at the stand said it's hard to process.
Many times I've been coming over here to buy taco and that happened to me. It's just so sad.
The 26-year-old woman who was driving the car now facing a wide range of charges.